from the makers of best-selling, award-winning StriVectin-AR Advanced Retinol Night Treatment. Now, for day. Our daily multitasker has broad-spectrum SPF 30 protection and fights the major signs of aging, including texture, firmness and wrinkles. Combining StriVectin's patented, scientifically proven NIA-114 molecule, this breakthrough retinol cream harnesses the potency of retinol, the gold standard in anti-aging, without the retinol side effects including skin irritation, peeling, redness and sensitivity. How to use: apply to clean face in the PM, massage evenly and gently into skin following Advanced Retinol Concentrated Serum. Avoid the eye area. Reduces the look of deep-set wrinkles and fine lines. Hydrates and deeply nourishes skin day with SPF 30. Evens tone and leaves complexion radiant, refines and smooths skin texture. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.